Next step, we are having the most demanding and the most useful part of this entire Excel, which is the formulas tab. We will see this tab and these groups like function library, defined names, formula editing and calculations. This is the part which will take you through the importance of the Excel, why Excel is demanding, and the reason behind 82% or the 85% companies are using the Excel. So we will see that importance from this particular formula tab, or the specific one I can say. So in this, very firstly I am having this insert function option on the auto sum. The same option you will get here on the home tab when you click here on auto sum and select the average, count of numbers, max, min and the more function. When you click on this more function, you will see a window will pop up like here I am getting the list of the functions, but similarly when I choose this formula tab, the same option which I am having here is here, insert function, the same window which is popping out, and the auto sum and these options. So before using this insert function, we need to understand, or we should know already how to apply the formula. Then only we can use this insert function. So for example, I write some of the values or the numbers here like 23, then 30. Okay, next any value here. Suppose I have these three values and what I want is I want to sum of these values I want in this cell. So I double click and equals to, I will use the formula which is sum formula. You can see when I type sum, a list of formula or function I am getting. So for this I will use sum. When I select this sum, it is asking me the number 1, number 2 and so on. So there are multiple ways to apply this sum on the specific value. First method is directly select this and drag it to that last range and close the bracket and hit enter. You will get the total sum. Second way of getting the sum is I simply remove the values from the brackets and select this cell, then comma, this cell, comma and this one and hit enter. Same sum I am getting which I was getting earlier. Third way to get the sum is I simply type the plus here, not the comma, and hit enter. Again I am also getting the same output. So this is how you can use this sum function in a different way. These three different methods have their own value. For example, if you want this sum, I copy this data. Remember, when you copy this cell, the formula will be copied from here, not the value. And value also, when I click here, you will get the 0. Why 0? Because here I am having the cells as a F4, G4 and H4. But I am entering here, it is changed now D7, E7 and F7 by default with the Excel property. So if you want to get the same output here, you need to select this and take the cells from here. Again, simply remove these and select the specific range here and hit enter. Now only you can get this output. If this data is not in a linear form, like in a increasing way, suppose this 45 is written here only on the top, then in this case you need to use the comma or the plus, because currently it is adding these two values only because it is not in a same row. So I comma here, comma this, then this and hit OK. You will see I am getting the same output on a different locations also. So this is how the formula works. Now insert function helps us in finding, for example, I forgot or I didn't remember the formula, the exact formula, as I currently having sum, but I forgot which was the formula. So simply click, you need to select any cell and click on this insert function. When you click, you will get the list of the functions. but currently it is coming like a most recently used. What I want is all formulas. When I click here on all, you will get the list of all the formulas here. And for example, I want to get the sum formula, so type here the formula name to sum the numbers and click go. Now when I type here and hit go, you will get this list here as a sum, and click OK simply, and it is asking me the numbers which you want to add. So simply you can provide a range here, or you can give the values as you were giving before. Select this cell, comma, then this, comma, and this, and click OK. When you click here, you will get the same output. So this is how this insert function can help us in finding a specific formula. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.